Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you EPS cake box mold lid finished in our factory. This EPS box mold, the box mold and the lid mold are separate. It total has 20 cavities. Each cavity has 1 piece of EPS filling gun and 1 piece of EPS ejector. Now let me show you the size of EPS filling gun and EPS ejector for this mold. We are using the 30 mm EPS filling gun. EPS ejector diameter is 40 mm. Gap between cavities is 70 mm for the cooling system. For more information about EPS mold, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. We would love to hear from you. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next video.